What's good, everybody? It's Malcolm from Top 10 Wellness, and I am back with Bob's Red Mill to bring you guys another epic recipe. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some easy homemade burger buns. This all comes together in under an hour, and it makes a great addition to whatever burgers and sandwiches alike you're going to be creating. But enough from me, let's get right into the video.
First, you want to get out your stand mixer, and if you don't have a stand mixer, you could easily do this in a bowl just with your hands. First, we're going to add 2 cups of lukewarm water, 1.5 teaspoons of dry active yeast, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Give this all a nice little mix in the bowl and let the yeast activate for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once our yeast is activated, we're going to add in 3¼ cups of all-purpose flour and give that a nice knead for about 5 to 8 minutes until your dough forms and it's nice and smooth. Then we're going to turn it out into a floured work surface, knead it a few more times, and then divide it into 6 equal pieces. Once your dough is all divided, we're going to take those 6 pieces and turn and pinch the bottom of each piece to form a nice tight round surface on top. To reinforce the dough ball and make it nice and taut, we're going to turn it between our thumb and index finger for a few times on our work surface to get it nice, smooth, and sealed on the bottom. Repeat with the remaining dough balls, cover them in saran wrap or a damp towel, and let these rest for about 10 minutes. Once rested, remove the covering from them and get these into a 425-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes. And just like that, you have some easy homemade burger buns. The texture on these sort of resembles that of a ciabatta bread or something like an English muffin. You could even divide the dough up into smaller pieces and make some great dinner rolls. Either way, this recipe is super versatile and you can get creative with how you want to make your bread. So get into this immediately.
Alright, everybody, and that is the recipe. Super simple, super easy, and it's a great staple to have around at any time. Definitely try this one out, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.